Welcome back. In just a few hours, around 450 potential jurors will arrive at a court in Corpus Christi.
Jury selection will then begin in the first criminal trial connected to the law enforcement response to the Uvalde school shooting. Fox 4's Payton May joins us in studio with what to expect. Payton?
Yes, Shannon, the trial was moved from Uvalde to Corpus Christi because of the scale of the tragedy and attention it's received. Now, the first to stand trial will be one of the first school district police officers to arrive on scene the day 21 people were shot and killed by a teenage gunman. Of the 21 people who were killed at Robb Elementary School, there were 19 children and 2 teachers. Former Uvalde CISD police officer Adrian Gonzalez is facing 29 counts of abandoning and failing to protect children. Prosecutors say he ignored his training and failed to act. His defense insists he was focused on helping other children escape. Now, we spoke to a local attorney not related to the case who says after a 77-minute delay of engaging with the shooter, families want to see police officers with adequate training held accountable.
This is a very unique case because I think this is maybe the second time an officer's been tried under this theory of being held criminally responsible for not acting, for an omission rather than an act that he's done.
Gonzalez could face up to 2 years in prison if he's convicted. The trial is expected to last up to 3 weeks. Now, of nearly 400 local, state, and federal officers who responded that day, only Gonzalez and former Uvalde Schools Police Chief Pete Arredondo face charges. Arredondo's trial has not yet been scheduled. 450 people is an unusually large pool of jurors to choose from. Attorneys say that's because there's an expectation many will be disqualified and have opinions on the national case. We will continue to keep you updated. Reporting, I'm Payton May for Good Day.